Are you ready for a dose of good inspiration? If you are ready, let's start. Hello people, welcome to another drawing. Today I will show you how to draw a girl and a big bear. I created a story for this illustration as well, so it will be fun. In this drawing, I will experiment with colors, with a combination of certain colors. The bear is blue and the background will be yellow. I want to contrast warm and cool colors. The girl will be painted with warm colors, so in that way I will create a contrast between girl and the bear as well. But you will see at the end. One more thing before I start with the story. This is my first illustration in Adobe Illustrator CC. It's perfect. It's perfect for round rectangles. If you love the gigantic style, then you know that the rounded shape is king here. Now with Adobe Illustrator CC, everything is so easy. So, if you decided to update software and buy the new version of Illustration, check out the link in the description. Okay, story time. The story is about a little girl in a big forest. One day she goes to the forest and she was trying to find strawberries for her mother, her old mother. The forest is huge and she lost. The strawberries, she could not find them. Everything she could see was the big mountain with the big cave. But there's a story about the cave. People say that in the cave lives a huge bear and he's not friendly. Whoever went there never come back. Yeah. The darkness began to fall and it was getting colder. So the little girl decided to try her luck with the cave. She goes right into the cave and she saw the big bear with strong teeth. He just ate something and the red color was all over his mouth like blood. He turned it slowly and in his hand was strawberries. So it's not blood, it's strawberries. And he smiles at the girl. Lesson of the day: don't listen what other people says. Listen to your inner voice, like the little girl. She listened to her intuitions. Now the bear will show her how to find a way to home. He knows the forest perfectly well, and he will show you how to find the strawberries as well. So short, listen to yourself and be brave. It's the same with your drawing skills and talent. Don't listen to other people, just do it. Draw every day. You are the creator of your destiny, not others. Okay, the illustration CC is great, rounded shapes are perfect, and the experiment with the colors is great as well. The drawing is finished. Okay G, if you like the illustration, drop the comments down below and stay tuned because the best is yet to come. Peace.